Hi everyone, I'm Kai. You see I got drinks in my hands because today I'm gonna teach you how to make a Christmas Advent Calendar. Merry Christmas! Oh, happy Christmas! Christmas is coming very soon. It would be great to make an Advent calendar like this in your apartment. Just put some wines, beers, or soft drinks if you don't fancy alcohol, and drink each one per day until the Christmas Eve. It's getting more exciting. And something special about this episode because I'm gonna introduce you how to use D1 Pro with extension kit to make this project as a little bit lot, right? So just follow me. You need to prepare laptop, xTool D1 Pro with extension kit, air assist set, material pins, glue guns, goggles, and 2 blocks of 3mm plywood. If this is your first time to use extension D1 Pro, just prepare 2 pairs of honeycombs with base plates, as the operating area is double the size of the regular D1 Pro. And make sure the 2 base plates fit tightly together, hence the laser beam won't damage the table. And don't forget to clean up the table before lay them. It's all ready, just plug in all the cables. Okay, let's place the plywood onto the honeycombs. You know, in the monsoon season or the dry weather, your wood probably will potentially get wet. And in this case, xTool can help you out. Just use xTool material pins to flatten it on the 4 corners, or just use some painted tape to stick them onto the honeycomb. If you have any other suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Now let's do the focus setting. Just put the setting bar down and rotate the toggle tag until the tip of the setting bar touches the surface of your plywood. And then fix it and put the setting bar back. There you go. This is paramount. Sometimes I don't do it properly, and the laser module will be a little bit loose or unsteady, so they're gonna negatively affect engraving result, and that's gonna waste your materials. And one more thing, my friend, just insert air assist tube into your laser module. With air assist set, you're gonna have a cleaner and deeper cutting result. And just move your laser module to the top left. And connect your laptop. It's time for the software editing. Let's open the XCS software and connect your device. It's already connected. And go to the project center. There's tons of projects you can choose. And we're gonna do the Christmas Advent Calendar. And we're gonna choose Laser Extension Kit. As you can see, there's 2 sheets down there, and each of them incorporates laser engraving and cutting process. And this area you can just change the context as you want. You can put someone's name or slogan or some pattern and select them all. And all the parameters are set up. You don't have to change anything, so everything's ready. Let's hit the process. And framing it, push the button. And wear your goggles to protect your eyes. And go back to software to hit start. And push the button. It's ready to go. Okay guys, we just moved the machine away, and for you to have a clear vision of these pieces. As you can see, all the numbers here are quite fine, and the cutting result is very clean. And this one, this small piece with my name on it, like Kai's Advent Calendar, you can use different pattern or slogan. And okay, we just use glue gun to assemble them together. Wow, look at them, they look fantastic, right? Just imagine have this one in your apartment, your family and friends will be like, oh please make the same one for me as well, you will nail it, okay? By the way, what's the date today?
15th.
15th, but how about the previous ones? What should I do?
20号
drink them out. Actually, guys, I got a crew behind the camera. You know what? Actually, yes. Right now, I'm just, I'm gonna drink it right now. I'm gonna choose the 15th ones. Do you guys have the opener? Yes. Okay, just join me. Okay, guys, come on. Join me. Come on. Let's just celebrate together. Okay. And this one's for you. And this one as well. Let me just open this one. Come on, team. And this is our cameraman. Oh, you got, oh, okay, no worries. All right, cheers, and Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and see you next time.